What's up, guys? I haven't posted in a minute because we've been on this big project. We're here at the Rooms to Go in Tampa, Florida. One of their big ones right here. And there is a bunch of tile. We're up on the roof right now. And we got all this tile to rip up. And it goes all the way down. This is about like, I don't know, I say like 40 feet down there. I don't know if y'all can see that. So we got about 40 feet down in that pillar right there. We got a whole bunch of windows that I'll be showing y'all later when I edit this video. What we're doing out here is we're demoing these big 4x4 feet tiles. So they're huge tiles, right? We're trying not to damage the cement board, the Durock that's back there. We're trying not to damage it. Some of it may get damaged, but we will be basically repairing that. We'll be using some mesh, some thin set mortar, some medium bed, etc. Whatever it takes to fix, you know, basically like a little hole like that. Hopefully that'll be as bad as it gets, you know. It may not. It may get a little worse, but we'll be fixing it if we have to, and which we will have to if it happens. Then we're gonna waterproof it. So all we're doing is prepping. We're gonna have a whole bunch of broken pieces to take down. We have our lift over there on the other side of the roof. I don't know if y'all see it back there. And actually, I'm not even gonna post. I'm not gonna edit this video. I'm gonna go ahead and post it right now. Just give y'all a couple minutes of what we're doing. We're also doing around this window right there. You see, it goes around that window. And let me show y'all something else over here. Let me turn the camera. So basically, as we're walking around, we're gonna be ripping up all around this window. We're gonna be protecting, covering these windows. Y'all see that sign that says Room to Go? It's a pretty big sign. We're up here on the roof, like I just said. And what happened was a few tiles came off. This was for, I don't know, whichever guys installed this in the beginning, apparently didn't do it right. The tiles fell off. I think somebody came in like waterproofed that or something just to seal it up. So that's why it looks like that. But I don't know, I think one or two tiles came off here, or all three, I suppose, by the looks of it. And they said, hey, we don't like this job. So they got us to come out here and redo their job. So we're tearing everything off. We're rectifying any damaged Durock. I mean, hopefully, I wish it came out as easy as this side did. Oh, you can see they had a little bit of thin set right there. Point is, we're tearing this up. We're redoing it. We're doing it good. And I mean, maybe I'll show y'all a few more things we got going on here. For one, hit that like button for me if y'all end up liking the video. Hit that subscribe if it's y'all first time watching. Share the video. Hit all these good buttons down there. We're trying not to damage the Durock, the cement board that's back here. And how we're trying to do that is by simply just shattering the tiles off like this. That's it. That's all we're trying to do. Just shatter the tiles off. Some sections come out great. There was this big spot right there that came out great, quick, easy. Most of it is really tough. There's a lot of work here. We did a whole bunch of columns, a whole bunch of windows. I'll probably be posting up more of that, or maybe in my shorts. So hit that subscribe button so y'all don't miss out. If y'all ain't subscribed, follow me, hit that like button, and I'll see y'all in the next video, guys. I'm out.